We tend to trust our dashboard displays implicitly. That little digital range estimator telling you exactly how many miles you have left to empty feels like a solid guarantee. But when that math fails, your vehicle can lose momentum in a matter of seconds. Those digital estimates rely on averages. They cannot predict how heavy stop-and-go highway traffic, sudden changes in weather, or aggressive climate control usage will quietly drain your fuel reserves faster than the computer anticipates. When the engine finally sputters and dies, you are suddenly piloting a 2-ton metal box with no power steering. Coasting to a halt on the shoulder of a high-speed interstate or a dark rural road immediately exposes you to significant physical danger. Human instinct often suggests fixing the problem yourself. You might consider grabbing a temporary gas can and walking to the nearest exit. But leaving your vehicle means walking unprotected alongside vehicles passing at 70 miles per hour, often in extreme heat, with no designated pedestrian pathways. Standard roadside survival requires you to stay put. Maneuver the car as far off the active pavement as possible, activate your hazard lights, keep your seatbelt fastened inside the cabin, and call for specialized assistance. Success at the roadside depends on neutralizing physical hazards until a specialized extraction unit arrives to secure the scene. When a stranded driver calls into a dispatch center, the primary logistical hurdle is geography. Finding a single immobile car on a massive stretch of highway is a complex puzzle. To eliminate guesswork, dispatch centers utilize advanced GPS routing to pinpoint exact geographic coordinates on the highway network. Then they map out your vehicle's make and model, guaranteeing the technician loads the precise grade of fuel required. When the service vehicle arrives, the technician's first move isn't about the gas tank. Their primary objective is establishing physical control over the chaotic environment surrounding your car. They deploy high-visibility lighting from the truck and strategically place safety cones along the shoulder. This forces oncoming highway traffic to shift away, creating a physical and visual protective barrier. Compare this secured area to a driver attempting to fill their own tank in the dark, crouched on the shoulder with no protective lighting, while heavy trucks blow past just a few feet away. A professional fuel delivery functions as a scene security operation first and a refueling operation second. Even when the scene is secure, the actual refueling process is highly calculated. The technician will not stand on the edge of a dangerous interstate trying to fill your tank to the brim. Instead, they deliver a specific payload, usually 2 to 3 gallons. This volume calculates the exact distance needed to reach the nearest open service station safely, keeping the time spent in the hazard zone to a minimum. After the cap goes back on, the technician initiates a contingency tree. They wait on site and observe as you turn the key, verifying that the engine turns over and holds a steady idle. If the engine refuses to start, they diagnose the real issue, like a depleted battery, a clogged fuel filter, or a dead fuel pump. There are also physical complications. A driver pulling over aggressively might bury their tires in soft dirt, deep mud, or a steep, unpaved ditch. The technician transitions to a winch-out service, using a motorized spool and heavy steel cable to physically drag the vehicle back onto solid pavement. Modern roadside assistance operates as a comprehensive diagnostic safety net. It starts with a simple fuel drop, but has the equipment to escalate into a full mechanical recovery on the spot. A professional fuel call initiates a specialized roadside triage operation designed to get an immobile, highly vulnerable asset out of danger. This is where local logistics play a massive role. A local towing fleet knows the specific traffic choke points, construction zones, and fastest alternate routes throughout their region. Leveraging that regional knowledge directly translates to a faster response time. Shaving minutes off the commute reduces the time you spend sitting helplessly next to a live lay of traffic. You can eliminate the panic of searching for help on a dark shoulder by saving a reliable contact in your phone right now before the dashboard flashes low fuel. True preparedness means transferring the burden of logistics, mechanical recovery, and physical safety to an equipped professional before the engine ever stops running.